Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just turned after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Thursday here. Um, Welcome, Darren and Tom. Let me just share this.
Hey guys.
So, welcome to this live FOREX and other session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed purely as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other, and we are not financial advisors. Um, there is a full risk disclosure there, and a little bit about us as live session traders. Okay. Gee, the chop and change is quite incredible. I'm jumping around all over the place. Right, let's yeah.
Well, big news about Elon just breaking,
Oh,
I believe. Yeah, he's apparently he's taking a step back from his role with the government.
dodgy.
I
He's
didn't understand what he said. He broke up. What happened?
apparently Elon has stepped back from his government responsibilities or government
Yeah,
jobs or something.
that's right.
Yeah, yeah. From his dodgy actions. Sorry, Doge or Dodgy. We call him Dodgy here anyway.
We call him
Oh.
dog shit here.
Yeah, but all of the
Yeah,
the
that's just been on
brain.
the news here, the
Okay.
UK. So continue to attack us. Tes, yeah, Tes.
You break it up a bit, Darren. That's okay.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, the Tesla share price has shot up apparently off the back of this news. So
Yeah. Oh well. That won't make the supreme leader happy, will it? I mean, he's but he'll be still working in the background and all the rest of it. So interesting. These business people are going to make business decisions, don't they? Anyway, okay. So, what's
I wonder if he told the tipped off the supreme leader first of all and said, "Look, you want to buy, you know, top up
some shares?
your Tesla share portfolio."
Oh, you mean insider trading? No, that would not be
Yes, well, yeah, yeah. I suppose
legally
that's one
wouldn't
way
be
of putting
allowed
it.
to happen.
Uh,
Anyway, okay, well, let's go through these pairs now. We can see what's happening. I'm gonna um see Tom your view on that GA that I grabbed yesterday. Anyway, AD not in the trade. I'm not in the trade, but it has changed the trend bar. Did you get I don't know, Darren. Did you get the 3/4 on that one, and now it's jumped back up again?
no, not on that one. Didn't say that one.
Okay. Oh yeah. Um, ADCHF. That's also changed green here and pushed back up. So I don't know. Some of these just are not anywhere near that you would be convinced you'd want to get into a trade on those. Anyway, AUDJPY, at least that's sort of pushing back up in some of the right direction. I don't know. Look at green again. Still a negative of it. I mean, I got into the trade here. It pulled back, pushed up, positive, back into negative. You know, at least it's not come down and broken the bottom here. Anyway, we'll just see what happens. When is it? A couple of hours. It's supposed to be the tariff thing, is it?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Well, we'll see what sort of breaks loose at that sort of point. Anyway, AUD, NZD. that's pulled back today. I don't know. Really, under my rules, I suppose I really should be looking at as a get out of that trade because of the change in direction. What do you got, Tom?
I'm already in the short.
Okay. Yeah, you would because you got two and you're already in. Go to yellows and then bang, bang. Okay. Interesting.
And on the higher time frame, you got a higher time frame short as well.
Yeah, it's still going down. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Right. So where am I with that? Yeah, I'm just down a small amount. Okay, then. Got to work out what I do there. Okay. Take a small loss or let it go further. All right, we'll just see. But again, what you've got there, Tom, is like, yeah, it's selling out further.
Doesn't mean it's going to.
No, correct.
That's just what everything's saying.
At the moment.
So you just let it go as long as it's doing what it's saying it's doing.
Okay,
This
no
could
worries.
very well come down to that long right there,
sorry.
turn around and go bing, 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 right back up again.
Yeah, but still there's some profit in that as well. I mean, that is
Yeah.
there's enough movement in there to get, 20 pips or something like that out of it. Rightio. AUD
What am I
Singapore.
at? I am at
Oh,
0.59%.
yeah, you should already be slight positive on that now.
Which is
Yeah.
16 pips so far, I think. Yeah, that's what that says. 16.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I just got it. I just got in under that wick.
Under that wick?
No,
Or
the
that
first
wick?
one.
Yeah, that's what I thought you must have. Yeah. Because if you got in there, it's only, 5 pips at the moment. But yeah, you got 16, so it was back up in here. Gee whiz, you're gutsy. Okay, no worries. Okay, AUD Singapore, just dancing around, nothing really to talk about. AUD USD, same sort of thing. Now, I don't know what's going on here for a couple of days. I mean, this is just pre-tariffs. I mean, they're talking about what are we, beef and wine or something. We're going to have tariffs against us or something. Rubbish. I don't know. Anyway. We'll just see how that sort of changes once they announce some tariffs. Yeah, see, US dollar sags as caution persists ahead of Trump's tariff announcement. No, okay. CAD CHF, I'm going to buy for that. It's just sitting just where is it? Yeah, like I'm 6 pips down. It's really just not going anywhere. Pushed up, back down, back up, back down, like, basically it's sideways at the moment. All right, KJ. Yeah, I'm in positive on that. I got in somewhere around here. It pulled back down, up, positive, back in negative, back up to positive. At least it's sort of going in the right direction at this point. CHF, JPY, same thing. I got a 3/4 out of that, and then it's pulled back down. Now it's pushing back up again. It hasn't come down to. It didn't stop me out. I think my stop loss was down here somewhere. So, rightio, Euro AUD got knocked out of that sell. It pulled back up there. It pushed down. Now it's pushing back up a bit. I think you, Tom, if I remember rightly, you were looking at that for a continuation buy. You got into that sell and now it's sort of, I
Yeah,
know,
I got into the sell, took it,
yeah,
and now I'm into the buy.
but you got no yellow there though, have you?
I do.
Okay.
I have a yellow candle.
You got a yellow candle.
Yeah, go
Okay.
over to a Wanda. It'll show you.
Weird. Yeah, okay. Where am I there? Yeah. Fade. Okay. Okay. Weird. Okay. Oh, I'd put this on. So you were talking about that being a potential push back up again. Yeah, okay. Right, yeah. And that's still going up. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm not in any trade now anyway, and that's good. If it is going to push up, then let's stay out of the trade. I'm not. What do I got there? Is it going red? Yeah, it went red. Okay. Okay, you're a CAD. Mm, Still in that, but it's significant. Let that push back up. Okay. I'm in a double sell on that one. So we're just got to see if all the euros are starting to push back up again. Depends also this tariff thing, what's going to happen. But anyway, Euro CHF again, push back up. And Euro GBP would have done well, it's gone sideways. Okay. Well, you took a 3/4 on that, Darren, I think. All right. And Euro JPY, which is a bit disappointing. It's pushed significantly up. I got into that trade there. Really would have been a good idea to get out of that trade. Anyway, still in it for the minute. It wasn't too bad. I was in, I was in positive yesterday, and now, like, there's just some really big shifts from one side. Like, I go to sleep and I'm positive, and wake up and it's like 150 pips negative. Negative. Uh, Big moves. Some
Well,
big moves.
I think my normal strategy here just simply isn't working in this.
Environment.
Well, stating the obvious in this environment, Brian. You know,
Yeah.
there's just no sustained event.
Yeah. You know, the worst case scenario, Darren, is we might need to be bricklayers.
You get it, go into, like you say, a bit of profit reversal, and then so.
Yeah.
Unless things settle down soon and are out there, maybe we might get a bit of direction one way or the other. But I think the market's just reacting to rumours at the moment.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely right.
Because nobody knows what he's going to say yet.
Yeah.
I mean, it literally could be anything.
And that could change as well.
Yeah. And if the US stock market nosedives after his announcement, within 24 hours, he could be, he could have a rethink again.
Yeah. Oh, best laid plans, eh? Anyway, you're a JPY. It's, hasn't come to a stop loss up here, but it's pushing up. Euro NZD. Interesting though, it hasn't pushed up as high. That New Zealand dollar must be, like if you think back to the AUD NZD where you're getting the sellout against the AUD, now you got a euro where all the other euros seem to be pushing up, and against NZD it's not. So it's yeah, interesting. Okay.
I think there was a short on when I looked at Euro NZD earlier, but is that still
Nah,
showing or has it
no, I
disappeared
haven't got a
again?
short.
It's probably disappeared. I mean, that's the other thing. I know these shorts and longs have always done that from time to time, but the frequency of them appearing and disappearing is, I'd say a lot more.
Yeah, it's quite unusual, isn't it, Darren? Or not normal anyway, the way that it's behaving.
You just look one.
Yeah. Okay. All right then. Well, NZD, Euro Singapore, that's also pushed up higher. Not in that trade, so it doesn't matter. Euro USD, similar thing. All the euros pushing back up again. I think Darren's in a sell on that one. Anyway, now here comes a GA that I got into for a sell yesterday, right? Now, I was positive up on this. So if I go based upon bricks, it was. So GA, it's now popped back up again. So time to get out, Tom?
I'm already out.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. I was in positive. So it's just that, yeah, because I only just woken up. It was in positive when I went to bed. And then, like positive as in sell. Now, so if I go, well, we've got to go on that and have a look. So go to yellow? No, no yellow, but
See the
that's
wick?
weird. Yeah, I know, but there's not a yellow
Not done
candle.
creating yet.
But that brick's finished, isn't it?
No, it's not done creating yet. It depends on what the next brick's going to be. That's why it's showing you where the brick and the price is now. See the brick moving up and down?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now that's going to create a new, that's going to be your
Yellow.
long, basically.
Okay.
So if it's going to keep going down, this long will fail. So I'm not in this trade for the buy up. I'm just out of this trade because it's got a higher high. I'm looking for this to pull back up, fail,
and then sell.
and then sell.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, well, I've just got, I was in positive. I just got out like 3 pips down. So then, like, it's basically break even. But,
Yeah, exactly. Okay. That's your loss.
Well,
you lost 3 pips.
Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. But I could have, I could have still closed it in positive, but I was not awake to do that.
Right.
Okay.
So the first time you took this trade, the higher high gave you the yellow, gave you the short.
Yeah.
You got in. There's 2 back.
I think I got in. I don't know if I got in only at that one candle, but anyway, yeah.
So you got in 2 back, 1, 2 on your green candles.
Yeah.
And then as it pushed down, look to your left, see if it's going to break anything. If it doesn't, which it didn't, because there's no wicks here.
No, nothing down.
This one just created the wick.
Yeah.
So that's going to be the low to beat now.
Yeah, okay.
So if this thing's going to turn around, it's got to beat that low.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, I haven't seen this before where it's created a candle with a wick, but it's not yellow yet. Okay. And
yeah, that's how I get out of them so soon, because I just see one brick pull back, and the minute that wick blinks, I just get out of the trade. Regardless of what it is, I'll just take the small loss. And then I just wait for it to pull back. I'll get the long. It'll come up. It'll go, nope. We're not going that way. And then turn back down. And that's when I'll take my short.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no worries. Well, I'm out of that one for the minute, but I'll just look at it. Anyway, okay. No problems. We've got another one there that I've got. Where is it? Um, hmm, yeah, a minute. Oh, oh, how did that work? Oh, that's all right. Oh, wow. Okay. All right, we'll look at that. All right, in a minute. Sorry. I'm looking at GJ, I'm looking ahead. That's okay. GBP CAD also too. I mean, it is, Darren. It just like it's just not like, you got travels like this, and now it's sort of like all just bunching up. GBP CHF still not, that one's crazy. So this is the GJ, and I'm pretty sure I did a brick trade on this one. So what I did is I got out of the. Okay. All right, let's go have a look at it. I'll show you what's happened. The GJ. It's hard to tell on this, isn't it? Anyway, so right. So what I did is I got out of a positive trade on it, which is all cool. Because if I go back and have a look here, so it hadn't made it to the rail. It had turned red. Yeah. Okay. And now it's popped back up again, right? Back into buy. So if I look over here in on the bricks, it had the yellow, got the short, and I think must have got into that trade wherever it was. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, can't remember now. Anyway, this is on the 2 hour, but it's not a 2 hour candle because I mean these bricks just form wherever they feel like it, which is all cool. So I got out of the buy into the sell and had a stop loss. Where do we have the stop loss? It was up here. I'm pretty sure it was up. Where the hell was it? I can't remember now. I can't remember, Tom. Anyway, so what happens is, the short of it all is, it's come back up again and stopped me out. 183 pips. It's like pretty big moves these are doing. If you look on here, that move is a considerable move. Uh, 190 pips in one day move. So the getting into the trade yesterday, yeah, it's moved up that much. So really, I suppose yesterday I should have I don't know. Anyway, that wasn't there. I don't know. I don't think there was a yellow there, Tom, yesterday when I took the trade for the sell. Anyway, that's okay. Doesn't matter. Basically yeah, okay. All right. So where's this one at the moment? That's got a long, it looks like it's buying, does it? Well, it doesn't from a daily perspective. It's saying potentially it's going to sell out further. So where are
Right.
you?
So I'm letting the buy finish.
It just seems, Pat, he's just walking around taking in Anfield at the
Yeah.
moment.
Okay.
What?
So you're waiting for the buy to finish and then you'll look at get back into the sell because of what the daily is.
Yes.
Okay. All right. No worries. So you're not going to take that buy trade.
No.
Okay. Because it's too close to the high. Is
Right.
that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's on the high side of the rails.
It is too, yeah.
It's giving me my long. It failed to break that green wick right there.
Yeah.
Failed to break that green wick down below it.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for this to pull back up and either give me a new high,
Yeah, which will be, yeah, up here, which will be
which will
higher
then
high.
dive down to break both these wicks, or this
Yeah.
is going to do a short and start breaking wicks going down. Either way,
Okay.
I'm waiting for the high to complete, whatever that looks like.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So when you get that, and you get your high, and you get your yellow brick, and you get your 2 bricks down, and that yellow candle flashes that red wick, just get out.
Yeah, but I didn't see that one.
I understand. I understand
Yeah,
what you're
no,
saying, but
no.
I'm saying for the future, if you see
Yeah,
that,
yeah. Not a problem
just
at
get
all.
out.
Yeah, not a problem at all. No, I understand all that. That's cool. Just looking at it. Okay, no worries. Cool.
Timing
Right
wise,
then.
I can't help you. I mean,
No,
that's
no.
one of
It's
those things
just,
you got to figure out where
yeah.
you're at.
Yeah, no. And also too, as Darren has said just before, the market has just been so choppy. Like normally it would be a number of candles before you really, but things are just so choppy at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
And it's hard, like even if you're like trading on a 24-hour basis, things like 180 pips moves in 24 hours, which is potentially not that normal.
Right.
Right, GBP NZD, and that's okay. That's just the way it is. I think every strategy is going to have difficulty dealing with that. GN, all right. So again, New Zealand dollar must be strengthening up because we're, yeah. Right, yeah. And GBP Singapore, it's still pushing up though. Obviously, Singapore dollar is not that strong at the moment. And GU, again, it's pushing up. Yeah, the US dollar sinks, yen drops as risk tone improves ahead of Trump's tariff announcement. And there's a lot of stuff going on with all of that. Okay, NZD CAD. Again, look at the move on that. Let's see. Look at 90 pip move.
I mean, I was nicely profit. Well, twice I've
I
been in
know.
profit on this, and then it's just
Yeah.
gone again. In one
Yeah,
session.
like there. Yeah, within a week.
Yeah.
Just some crazy moves. NZD again, just all big moves as well. NJ, at least this is sort of what about a 3/4 and it's back. I mean, it's all just around that sort of danger zone. A lot of the market is sort of hugging that, like we don't know what's going on. NU, yeah. Again, another big push up on that. Then Singapore Japanese yen will be, it bought. Okay. Mm. Yeah, lots of changes. Red, green, red, green. It's like just very difficult to sort of follow it. The UK, again, across the middle, not doing anything. And USD CHF, again, a lot of consolidation. And UJ, a little push up, but nothing significant on that. And still, I think it's still red on the trim bar. And USD Singapore. Gold is $3,120. And the silver is at 33.7. Okay. So that's pulled back a little bit. Bitcoin's jumped up at 86, but still it's around that middle 80. Nothing significant. And what's happened to your oil? Well, it's pushed up. But you already out of that with your 3/4. You only had one trade on that, I think, Darren, because it never came out the bottom here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
No, so,
Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, let's just go. If I go through, we'll have a look here, Tom. Let's quickly have a quick review of down through the pairs. How's that sound? Is that all right
Sure.
with what's going on? Those sorts of things. Wow, amazing. Anyway, okay. So AUD CAD, we'll just look daily up. Is this sort of just a consolidation at the moment?
Yeah, I'm not in this.
Yeah, okay. So AUD CHF.
I am in this.
Yeah, you're in that for the buy.
Yeah. I'm up
Even
0.5%.
but even though the daily looks like it's selling.
So let it.
Okay, so you'll
This is
just when
telling you
it
to buy it.
turns,
You got your
but when
low, you
yeah,
got your long. Let it push up until it says short, which I'm looking for something up there by that red wick
yeah,
for a
okay.
pullback,
Yeah.
and then a further push up.
Okay. Okay. It's like, when you're looking at the daily and when it's whatever.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's proved me wrong. Either this
Yeah.
is going up or it's not.
Yeah. And if you get a yellow candle, you're out anyway, so that's okay. Rightio, so you're in a buy on that one. Okay, AUD JPY.
I'm not in this. I'm letting it just run
Why?
because you have the long there, but you have two corresponding misinformation. So you
Oh
have
yeah, you got
both
those
these
two.
things pushing up,
Yeah,
but it's saying it's coming back down. So I have it
Yeah.
trapped between the two barriers. So I'm going to let it just play out until I get a push to one side or the other, and then take the
Okay.
opposite trade.
got you. Okay, AUD NZD.
I am in this one.
You're in the sell.
I'm up a half.
Yeah, and you got the buy bit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Rightio. AUD Singapore.
We don't trade it.
No, okay. AUD USD.
I am not in this one yet. I'm waiting for this pullback to complete this long for
Okay.
a further push down because we're six packing on the daily.
Even though the daily's got this line going up.
Yeah, but it's got a six pack, so it's going to be consolidating for a minute until it shoots out one side or the other on the lower time frame.
Right, yeah, and you reckon it'll sell?
I think it's going to sell because that's what this is telling me to the time frame on the right.
Okay.
Slide that over a little bit.
Yeah, I can see that.
See, everything's pointing down still.
Yeah.
So I'm just waiting for that to finish its buy.
Okay, no worries. CAD CHF.
I am in this for the buy.
But
I don't know if it's gonna work or not.
yeah, because of this, you got a yellow there.
Right.
Okay, all right. You are, but this is a little sketchy.
Yeah, this one's a little shaky.
Yeah, okay. CAD JPY. I'm seeing whether I'm reading it by looking at it similar to you. Okay, so
I'm not in this.
no, but you could have been into the sell on that.
I was. I did. I did catch a sell.
Yeah, then when it went yellow, you're out of it. Okay.
Right, which I broke even.
Yeah. Yeah, which is fine.
Right.
Break even, it's not a problem. Okay, CHF, JPY.
I'm not in this. I'm just waiting for this pullback to complete because I'm
Is that-
looking at this as a
that-
as a sell off.
Has that got a wick, has it? No. Yeah,
No,
it has.
I don't have a wick yet.
Yeah, that's got a wick down here.
Are
You
you
can
are you
see
on
it.
Owanda?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have. If you exactly,
See,
so
it's
see
got a
it's
wick
showing the
there.
wick.
Yeah, it's hard to see. Yeah.
Yeah. So if I know there's going to be a wick there, that candle's going to turn yellow.
Yeah.
1-2 candles back from the short
Yeah.
where it started, I just get out.
Yeah. Yep.
Now I'm just letting the pullback complete
Mm-hmm.
because I have a lower high.
Yeah.
So if it breaks that lower high going up, then I know
Yeah.
I'm still in going up mode. But
Yeah, okay.
if it doesn't break that lower high, this has to
Then
be
you're
a
going
new
back.
lower low.
It's going back down. Okay.
It's going back down.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm just being patient on this one.
Yeah, no worries. Euro
Euro
AUD.
AUD. I'm up. I'm up. I'm on the buy on this.
Yeah, I
one.
know. Yeah, you were saying. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, okay. And that's still going up. Okay, well, that's fair enough. Different perspective. Okay. Euro CAD.
I'm in the buy for this one.
Right. But you were in the sell like we were. Okay. But it looks like it's not going to go too far and then potentially sell back out. Potentially.
Well, yours doesn't. Mine says it's going way back up, all the way back up to that short at the top on the 2 hour one.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, we got the same feeds.
Right. Yours just hasn't either caught up or it's just reading it differently at this moment.
Oh, maybe because I'm a day ahead.
Yeah. Who knows?
No, I'm pretty sure that this timing here is also New York time.
But if you'll notice, see the higher low down here?
Yeah.
Okay, it came up, gave you the short.
Yeah.
Now it's going to turn around and give you the
back,
long. Either it's going to create
okay.
a new high and keep going up, or it's going to turn here
Mhm.
and sell
Come
off.
back down.
Either
Yeah,
way,
okay.
I'm going to either get a good trade out of the buy or a good trade out of the sell.
So, yeah, okay, no worries. Euro CHF.
I'm in this one. I'm up almost a whole % on this one.
Yeah, because you got a high low. One too long, you would have got in. But you got yellow candles there. What do you have got?
So I didn't get in until it beat that red wick on the left.
This one here.
Right.
Okay. All right. Gotcha. Okay. Euro GBP.
I am not in this.
Because you got red wicks up here.
Well, I'm expecting this to push down further.
Right. Well, we'll get to see. Okay. What if it does continue to push up? What? And
What?
well, are you going to look at getting into the buy at some point if it breaks that red wick up there?
It's undecided right now because my candle, that green candle you have, is actually a yellow candle for me.
Okay.
And it shows it pushing down. So I'm going to let it play out for a minute.
Yeah, okay.
I'll wait till I get a consistent, not a yellow candle, but like 2 green bricks in a row.
That's the thing. You're basing your decision to get in or out of a trade based upon this, and then we've got different sort of views on it. Even if we're both on Owanda and this is Pepperstone. Oh, what's going on? Ah, right. Okay, yeah, it is. Okay. Look at that.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, okay.
It's only short-lived.
Yeah, it's because of the
and I already have a yellow wick right here, a yellow candle already formed. I'm just letting it play out for a minute. If it pulls up here and keeps going up, I missed it.
Well, it's the whole. I'll need to make a copy of this and make them all under. Then we'll see. Anyway, we'll just see. Okay,
Gents, I've got to I've got to go and
See
check
ya.
into a hotel, so
No worries,
I'll have to
Jared.
leave you.
No
Take
worries.
care.
See ya.
See ya.
See you.
Cheers.
Hopefully,
Bye.
maybe
Bye.
tomorrow. Okay,
All right,
you're a
cheers.
JPY. It's just choppy all over the joint.
Right, I'm not in this.
No, you're into D. That's you would have been in the sell, and now you're out because of that yellow candle.
I'm in the buy for this
Yeah. Okay.
because I'm expecting
Right.
it to at least come up to the other side of the green triangle
Yeah. Okay.
right there. So
Yeah.
if it makes it up to there, fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
But I've already got a
Which
yellow
means it
candle.
would have broken the short.
Right. So I've already got the yellow candle. I'm just
Yeah.
waiting for the third candle, which I'm already into this trade, will give
Yeah.
me my long.
Yeah.
And then whatever happens from there, even if it's only
Yeah.
2 bricks and it turns
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it does a
Yeah.
short, I'll get in and out.
Okay. US Singapore, you don't trade. That's yeah. That was yep. Euro USD.
I'm not in this.
No. Okay. So GA, that was where you went out of that, and you were in the sell, and that created a wick.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure it's got a wick there somewhere, and so you're out of it. Okay.
Yep.
GCAD again, choppy around.
I have a buy set up for this. It's got to break that red wick.
Yeah. Okay. Radio. GBP CHF.
I'm not in the buy for this.
Yeah, but it's come out of this consolidation a bit. We'll just see though. Rightio. Okay. GJ. Saying look how choppy that is.
Yeah, I'm not in this.
No. Okay. GBP NZD.
I am in this. I'm waiting to see if this is going to form a yellow wick.
And then you're
If
out.
it does, I'm out.
Yeah.
I'll just
'Cause
take
you
what
would have
profit
got
I
it.
have.
You got in there. Okay, a little bit in there. All right, no worries. G Singapore, which you're not in. Fair enough. GU.
I'm not in this.
Nah, because it's all choppy.
But you see how it's still in the box?
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep. All right, NZD CAD.
I'm not in this.
No.
I'm looking for a push down.
Yeah,
So
but
your
it's given
daily?
along there. And okay.
So your daily, you already have a red candle,
Yeah.
a red brick. So I'm looking for this to finish this long, whatever this long is going to be.
Yeah, and then give
take
us
the short out of
yellow
it.
and give you yellow
Yep.
and down. Okay, no worries. NZD CHF.
I'm already in this one. I'm up 1.28 on this one.
Yeah, for the buy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, NJ.
I'm not in this.
Okay. Right. It gave you all the right signs. You just didn't get into it. Okay.
No, because I'm looking at this as a pullback
Yeah, I know.
before it goes
And
down
not
further.
not break up.
Because it's not
Okay.
going to break that wick to the red on the left.
Yeah, up here.
On the left one.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. Okay. And you?
I am in this
Right.
one.
But
I'm up 0.68 on this one.
But you're just going to stay in it till you get a yellow.
Yes.
Okay, rightio. I'm trying to read it. Singapore, you don't do that one anyways. That's all right. And it's weird. So UCAD, that also too, you wouldn't be.
I'm in it for the sell.
Oh, already.
Yes.
Okay.
Look at your daily. You got a full red brick.
Yeah, okay.
It's tried twice to come down.
Yeah. I
Tried
can
twice
see.
to come up. See the high and then the other brick next to it?
Yeah.
So this red candle, I'm looking to turn it into a yellow brick with a wick.
Which one?
Daily.
Here. Yeah.
I'm looking for that to turn into a daily candle, yellow brick
With a red wick.
with a red wick that's going to be pushing down because you're
Okay.
outside the rails.
Yeah. Yeah, you're high on, aren't you? Yeah.
You're high on it, right?
Yeah. Fair enough. Okay. And yeah. Okay, USD CHF. Wow.
I'm in this for the buy, but I got triggered in. Ugh.
Yeah, well, you would have been in the sell line, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I caught that sale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
I-
but here you've triggered in. Yeah, okay.
yeah, I
Which you
had
shouldn't
my
because it's really messy.
right, and not only that, but I had my entry because I was going to sleep, and I put my entry above that red wick to your left.
Yeah. Ah, here.
Yeah, that one, and it triggered me in. So my stop's a little big. It's 49 pips, but that's all right.
But you could always just kill the trade anyway if you need to. Okay.
No, look at it though. I'm not killing that. I'm not killing
What?
that. It's running. It's going in the right direction.
Yeah, okay. No, but I'm just saying at some point you could. I mean, you've got a yellow candle there.
Right.
But okay. But isn't the daily on a sell still?
Yeah,
Oh
but
no, it looks like it's
even
gonna
on the
do it.
daily, it says it's going to turn around here somewhere.
Yeah, okay,
It doesn't tell you where.
yeah. Okay. Put you in on the buy. Okay, no worries. UJ?
I am not in UJ.
Mm-hmm.
I'm waiting for that buy to finish.
Mm-hmm.
You had a full red brick on the left.
Hmm.
So I'm looking for shorts out of this.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. All right then. USD Singapore you don't trade. Okay. All right, yeah. And gold, what are you at with that one? Nah, that's just still going up. That's what it says. You're not trading that?
No, I don't trade. I don't trade anything before X.
Okay, no worries. Oh yeah. We look Bitcoin. One, okay, and if we look oil, yeah, okay. Right, yeah. Right. All right. Well, thanks. We'll just whip through those. Right, yeah. I'm just looking at how. So I might make another and then put the numbers on them. Okay, no worries. So we're both looking at the same thing rather than, and then I've got to check what I've got with Pepperstone. Okay. Well, things are weird.
Yeah.
Really weird. Some big changes from one way to the other, just
Yep.
within 24-hour period. And look,
That's
we'll
why.
just see
That's
what
why I'm letting
happens.
things run for a minute
Yeah, I know.
because I was popping in and out of trades, and it's like, boy, it's moving really quick,
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
back and forth. It's not
Yeah.
stable at all, and it's like, well,
Yeah,
just
no.
sit it out for a while. So the
Mhm.
ones that are just like clear to me that I have a good chance with them, then I'll go ahead and take.
Yeah. Yeah, but you've been trading like this for a couple of months now, haven't you, really?
Yeah, since
Mm.
since October.
Start of the year. Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah, at least start of the year, seriously.
Yep.
Okay, no worries. All right, Tom. I'll look a bit more. We'll just see how we trade across. And Darren's, yeah, I think we're all just saying it's really choppy at the moment. Let's see what
Right.
happens later today. It's your today, isn't it? Yeah.
Yep.
See what happens with all this tariff guff
And it
and
being
what.
Wednesday, I'm looking for those. I'm looking for those reversals now.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, crazy stuff. Yeah,
Yep.
but they're big. They're big. They're not. The market's not in sort of any real, particularly usual directions or usual amounts of also movement. It's not unusual, but it's just really choppy.
Right. But the thing is, with all these new trade agreements going in the EU and everywhere else now, because everything's shifting because of Trump.
But there is no agreement. That's the thing. You mean tariffs that are being placed on countries?
No, I'm talking about trade routes and stuff like that. With the EU going to like Canada and to
Oh
China and
yeah.
everything
Where
else,
they're
they're
changed.
changing
Yeah,
trade routes away
yeah.
from the United States.
Yeah.
That's gonna weaken the U.S. dollar.
Yeah.
So all I'm doing is waiting for all these people to start finishing up their trade routes, get it
Yeah.
locked in, and then we'll know product wise through the PPI and all that kind of stuff which direction we're actually going to go. Right now, we're just in turmoil because every country's buying from other countries, trying to replace last minute stuff before all the tariffs hit. So
And then
they're
everything in
working
the US,
overtime to get
then
these
everything
trade
in the
routes
US
done.
is going to become a lot more expensive.
Oh yeah, we're going to be isolated out.
And then the recession occurs, and
Yeah,
okay. And the market will, the bottom will fall out of the market potentially, and okay.
yeah. That's why Warren Buffett's sitting on $382 billion. He's waiting for the market to bottom out.
He can wait, can't he?
Yeah.
I think I was reading the other day, he's invested in BYD, the
What's that?
Chinese car electric car manufacturer.
Oh,
You probably don't have them in the US, I don't know, but
no.
here we've got BYD. So Build Your Dream. It's BYD stands for Build Your Dream. It's a Chinese big. We've got utilities. What do you call them? What do you call them over there? Like a cabin with a tray thing on the back.
A cabin with a tray thing?
Like a Ford F-150 or Ford,
Yeah.
that sort of thing. But we've got it now in plug-in hybrid. So they got a
Oh, I
1.5.
see.
They got a 1.5 petrol motor in it, and basically electric.
Nice.
So
Yeah,
that
China makes some amazing cars. I can see why they
yeah,
don't sell them here because they'd
yeah,
wipe out all our car industry.
yeah. No, and there's another one, GWM, Great Wall Motors. They've had ones out here for big diesel ones for ages, which they're now also going into plug-in hybrid as well. And their cars, because we have no car manufacturing here in Australia. We don't manufacture any cars at all. We just organise to buy the best ones from wherever.
That's discounted in fleet price.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah. Let somebody else
Smart way
make
to
them
do
and
it.
then bring them over. So,
Yep.
but we were subsidising both GM and Ford here in Australia for many years, just so that people had a job making cars. But every car that we made here was subsidised by the government, and the Ford and GM were making money. And as soon as we didn't want to pay them anymore, they just went, right, we're shutting up shop. They left.
Right.
So,
That's the goal everywhere.
but so much for America being ripped off. This is what we keep hearing, that America's been taken advantage of. It's like, what garbage.
Right.
What absolute, like, a total lie.
Of course it is. Of course
America's
it
the
is.
one ripping the rest of the world off.
We're the worst.
Yeah, yeah. Such a total lie. Anyway, the world will sort itself out, I suppose, over time. They'll just go a bit like, people not buying Teslas. I mean, the share price tanks out. So I think, as Darren said, he's now given up his job so that he can save Tesla. It's like, this is what billionaires do. They get into
Well, that's
something, think
why
it's a,
he had AXI buy Tesla. He transferred Tesla over to a bigger corporation, which means if the Tesla stock is defunct, at least his stock in AXI is strong. That's why
well,
the
he's still,
investors are pissed
yeah, he
because they're
still
like, wait,
owns.
we just bought a defunct car company stock,
Mm.
and now you transferred the ownership over to the AXI. So now we're forced to go over to AXI and buy that stock because the Tesla stock shit.
Mm.
It's a shell game. He's just moving the shell around.
Yeah, I know. Moving deck chairs. Okay.
Exactly. That's why two things. That's why that judge in Wisconsin was so important, because he's got a lawsuit going there and he wanted the judge on his side. He lost that judge. So he's probably going to lose this lawsuit too, which is very expensive. And then the Tesla shares, he had the stock price call and had to sell it to AXI because he knew on this stock call the market was going to be down, and it was down 36%, which means he knew it was going to be down. And he had to transfer those stocks from Tesla over to AXI before that call was made to get the best value stock price to purchase it for his other company. What a scam. He just straight rugged investors.
I think you can see the writing on the wall that the Teslas are not, like, they've been great for a period of time, but I think there's a lot more competition coming into the market, and he's
People are
finding
sick
it
of
hard.
him.
Sorry?
People are sick of him.
In the US are, and
Oh
like,
yeah.
we've still
In
got Teslas
Germany?
running around here, but like, they're not being targeted here, but his name is Mud.
Right.
So anyway, I better go and do my bus run today.
All right. Be safe out there.
Yeah, and thanks for taking the time to, we'll go through stuff. We'll just see. It's interesting that GJ where got out of the positive, that's fine, but got into and then just the timing is just, it's crazy at the moment.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
That's what I'm saying. I can't help with the
No,
timing.
no. I'm not expecting any of that, Tom.
But that's
No,
what
I'm
you're
just
looking at. You're looking
Yeah.
at getting in trades like that and then getting
Yeah.
out, getting in,
Yeah.
getting out. And
Well,
eventually,
it looks like I'm going to need to look at it at least twice a day rather than once a day.
right, probably.
Mm.
Yeah. I look at it at night. Well, I look at it from 5 a.m. to 2, and then I look at it again at 6 to midnight some point, and then midnight back to 5, I'm up again anyways.
Yeah. Okay, from your sort of point of time.
All right.
All right then. Take it easy. Have a good day.
All right.
And
You
let's see
too.
what the tariffs do, because it'll be like there'll be a list across all countries of the world, basically.
Yes. Every country on every product.
What a bang. All right. Okay. Well, I think it's going to shake things up pretty heavy. And
Right.
not the non-farm payroll too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyhow, mate,
That's this
take
Friday,
it easy.
right?
Maybe get out of as many trades as possible. All right.
That's this
Okay.
Friday?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.